Every single day at Camp Nou, something shifts, something rises, something gets closer to finished. 16 sections in and the ring keeps growing. Every zone had something to show today. Let us walk through all of it, starting with what was confirmed from yesterday. Section 16 had gone up around 2 in the afternoon, directed toward the north goal, and Section 15 had gone up the evening before at 6:15 toward the south goal. 16 of 124 sections were placed. A large section had arrived by trailer and was staged ready. A base support beam had also been lifted by TC4 toward the north goal curve area, laying the groundwork for the next pillar sequence. 2 Cimbras were already locked in and waiting up there. The intermediate logistic floor was progressing at the south goal curve zone, with metal decking and reinforcement mesh being prepared ahead of the concrete pour. The VIP ring curtain wall profile installation was active at level 60, with around 600 bars being fitted simultaneously by 2 specialist companies. Now here is what was missed and what deserves the spotlight today. TC2 was observed lifting what appeared to be a wide rotula-type element without reinforcement toward the south goal third cantilever. The component slipped during the operation, was brought back down, reslung and carefully repositioned before continuing. A tense sequence handled with the kind of calm precision this crew has developed over months on site. At the North Goal ceramic slat installation had one of its strongest days yet. A full horizontal line was completed in a single session, crews pushing almost all the way to the concrete superpillar. Blaugrana and lilac colors are now spreading visibly across this section, with the single yellow reference slat still standing as the only yellow one anywhere in the stadium. Both North Goal nuclei were essentially sealed with the final sandwich panels going on this morning. Passarella works on those cores are the clear next step. At the third tier, joint sealing was rolling steadily through the tribune zone, with around 4 workers placing flexible backing strip into each gap before applying specialist sealant on top. Yesterday, they were at the wide mouth zone. Today, already halfway through the tribune. One team covering the full bowl at a consistent pace. At the lateral zone, all ceramic slat anchor points are now fully confirmed in place, and installation in this zone could realistically begin as early as next week. That is a significant milestone because the visual transformation when cladding starts here will be one of the most dramatic changes the stadium has seen in some time. The right side lateral nucleus still had no internal scaffolding erected and had considerable beam framework work remaining before slabs and panels could follow. This one is behind the others and will take time. The mysterious underground works at the lateral zone also continued with workers still removing material from that area after many days of unexplained activity. That is Camp Nou right now, the ring growing one section at a time, the ceramic facade spreading color across the north goal, the interior finishing taking shape floor by floor, every zone moving every single day. If you enjoyed this update, drop a comment below. Even just a single word means a lot. Hit the like button and subscribe if you have not already. We will be back tomorrow with everything that happens next. See you then.